Hi, I'm Glenn, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what stopped me cold at 62 and what I did after that changed everything. So let me walk you through it. You did everything you're supposed to do. You worked, you showed up, you provided, and somehow the retirement still doesn't add up. At 62, I was cleaning bathrooms in a restaurant chain just to put gas in my car, the same job I had when I was 12 years old. The 401k didn't get me there. Social Security isn't going to either. And nobody ever taught you how to build something that doesn't depend on a paycheck or someone else's decision to keep you around. That's exactly where I was. I sent out applications for years when I lost my job in 2020, hearing nothing back. I know what it feels like to watch the math just not work. So I stopped waiting for the job market to save me and started building something of my own, starting from exactly where I was. And now I'm doing the rest of it live, in public, right alongside you. This channel is where you see what's possible for a man over 50 building something of his own to fund his retirement until the gap becomes irrelevant. No hype, no guru nonsense, no pretending this happens overnight. Just what's actually working from a guy who's building it in real time. If you're a man over 50 wondering if you're actually going to be okay, you're in the right place. That's what this channel is about. The wisdom I've picked up the hard way and a path to the wealth side of retirement. So please subscribe. Then go watch the video I've lined up next. I'll show you the exact number that stopped me cold and the one thing I did after that changed everything. And remember, you were made for more than watching and waiting. So let's press on.